ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணியம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. दशकं 83 श्लोका 5. जाल्येन बालकगिरापि किलाहमेव श्रीवासुदेव इति रूढमतिः चिरं सः सायुज्यमेव भवदैक्यधिया गतोऽभूत् को नाम कस्य सुकृतं कथमित्यवेयात्. Word by word meaning. Jalyena or Jadyena, because of stupidity. Balaka gira api, and on the advice of immature persons. Kila, it appears. Aham eva, I myself. Sri Vasudevaha, am Sri Vasudeva. Iti, thus. Chiram Rudamatihi, who had the firm belief since long. Saha, he. Poundraka, Bhavadaikya Dhiya, because of the thought of identity with thee. Sayujyam eva, union with thee itself. Gataha abhut, attained. Kasya sukrutam, whose good deeds. Katham iti, are of what kind. Kaha nama, who indeed. Aveyat, can know. Full meaning. Believing himself for a long time to be Vasudeva himself, though out of stupidity and on the advice of immature persons, he had developed a feeling of identity with thee, and therefore attained union with thee. Sayujya, who indeed can know, who has what merit acquired by past good deeds. Om Tat Sat.